Coughing, sneezing, and more, a COVID-19 related story. All people cough and sneeze. Coughing and sneezing can spread droplets and germs. I can try my best to cough or sneeze into my elbow. Wearing a mask can also help catch the droplets. If I'm not wearing a mask, coughing into my elbow is best. I should keep my fingers out of my nose. Fingers and noses can spread germs. Instead, I can use a tissue to clean my nose. I can throw the tissue away when I am done. Then I should wash my hands or use hand sanitizer to clean my hands. Another way to stop the spread of germs is by not touching my eyes, nose, mouth, or face. If I'm wearing a mask, it is best to touch it only when I'm putting it on or taking it off. Keeping toys and school supplies out of my mouth will also help stop the spread of germs. My teachers and family will be so proud of me when I do my part to help stop the spread of germs. The end.